So I've got another question for you. Fig asks, how do we combat misinformation and pseudoscience, the kind of things that RFK would bring into a federal level? How do we make science appeal to people who think, say, magic crystals are a thing?
Right. It's hard. I think the misinformation and disinformation is far more lucrative than the information business. But all you can do is the best you can do. Try and make it clear that the damage that's being done. Try and make it clear. Make science fun and exciting and interesting and understandable and palatable. Tell a story. And just keep putting it out there, doing the kind of thing that you're doing. And the number of groups in the United States do, Science Based Medicine, Skeptical Raptor, Voices for Vaccine, I think our Vaccine Education Center, just to keep pounding out good information. For the most part, the media is generally responsible, and that they, at least mainstream media, that they go to real experts for advice often, but they also often like conflict because that sells. And
Hmm.
so that's what you're always up against. I mean, I've been asked now 3 times to debate RFK Jr. and I don't do it because I think all it does is elevate him. 5 minutes into the discussion, people remember the fight far more than the facts. They don't know who the expert is. I mean, you might as well debate whether or not birds are real.
There is a subreddit community that's all about how birds aren't real. Thankfully it is a joke. At least most of them, I'm pretty sure, know it's a joke. There's another one that's all about how New Zealand is not a real place. I quite like that one as an Australian. I don't believe in New Zealand.